Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back with another Unice wig. And guys, this is the perfect spring wig to, get. It's spring already. You need to go be purchasing it. This is a 22-inch Jerry Curl blonde highlight wig. Bomb. When I tell you it's bomb. Anything that's a curly hair wig, I'm going to think it's bomb. Just because curly hair, I just thrive in, okay? Okay, so yeah, I have already washed, plucked, and bleached my knots. So I'm just throwing the wig on. And I do already wash, pluck, and bleach the knots of every wig that you guys have seen. I don't really have to pluck much though, because I'm not sure if these wigs come pre-plucked, but the density in the frontal usually isn't that high. So it's not like it's super, like it needs to be, like has to be plucked. If I wanted to just put on a wig, I probably could. I'm just a perfectionist. So yeah, I'm feeling the hair, okay? I'm feeling the hair. Okay, so now it's time to get to cutting. I always cut and then razor off the rest of the lace before I get started, just because it's just an easier install for me that way. And also, like I've told you guys before, I just hook the hooks that's in the back of the wig to the furthest they could go, the furthest loop that they could go from each side, and I just hook those in there. That's why my wigs basically are already flat while I'm cutting, because it's really tight on my head already. As you can see me rolling it up. Yeah. So that's what you need to do. Okay, so now I'm going with the even black lace spray. And of course, I'm going to spray this around the entire perimeter of my forehead. And I'm going to rub it in. And I repeat this process 3 to 4 times. So it's like 3 to 4 coats. Just to hold for quite a while or whatever. And then I'm just going to go ahead and roll the lace onto the glue / spray, whatever you want to call it. Because it's so tight on my head, you got to work it out a little bit, okay? My head is a little chunky. Oh, and I have already put makeup on my lace. So I'm pretty sure you can see that, but I just wanted to clarify. You're just going to lay it down, get your rat tail comb and press it down. Make sure, try to get every piece of hair away from the glue. You don't want that to stick down with the lace. It just does not look good to me. And once you finally get it stuck down, you're going to go ahead and pick up your blow dryer. And you're just going to blow dry on the cool setting. I guess we'll get there eventually. Got to do the other side. Of course, use the comb. Rake it in. There we go. Now we're here with the blow dryer. I'm using it on the cool setting, and then on the pieces that you didn't get glue on, just touch it up. Of course, do the exact same thing you just did. And then I'm gonna go in with my Gots to Be spray, freeze spray, and put it on my finger and literally put it on the front of the lace. And this just really helps melt the lace before you tie it up with the band. So, of course, once you do that, you're just going to go in with the band and tie it as tight as you possibly can. Your head should possibly be hurting after you take it off. Okay, so as you can see, just like in the previous video, I have a little residue left because, it's on the spray was on the front part. In front of the lace, not on the lace, guys. So it's an easy cleanup. Just take a rag, a towel, and wet it with some water and just wipe it down. That's it. That's all. Nothing major. So now I'm just taking out my baby hair and I'm going to spray those areas with Got to Be spray, because what are we doing? We are about to melt the lace once again. Tie it as tight as you can, possibly. And then you're going to go in with your blow dryer once again on the cool setting and blow dry that down to get it to dry quick. So you ain't have to be waiting all day to get done with this install. Y'all, I did this install in 30 minutes. And I'm pretty proud of myself, okay? Because I had somewhere to go. And I had to rush. But I did really good. Okay, so after you cut them, you're going to use a flat iron and curl up. You know how the girlies be doing. Curl up. I think I curled them down. But I curled the side ones up. I really thought I was recording the first half of the baby hair, which I wish I was. Because, you know, I did a little extra something over there. But all I used was the olive oil mousse and the freeze spray from Got to Be mixed together. And, you know, just did what I wanted to do. Over here is basic. It's just one little swoop. But I really wish I would have showed y'all how to do the other one. If y'all want to see how I did the other baby hair, go check out my TikTok at Casey Renee because it's on there. So now I decided I'm just going to do a middle part. So I'm trying to get my middle part as straight. Fix that middle part, girl, okay? I did over bleach quite a little bit. So it makes the part from afar to me look wider than what it really is. Because really, the part is not wide at all. It's literally just blonde hair and it blends in with my skin. Anyway, so as you can tell, this is flat. It's giving scalp, and I just wanted to show y'all. So now I'm just going to split the hair in half, get my spray bottle, and just get to spraying, girl, because this is a lot of hair. Y'all see it. Get to spraying, 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 and then you're going to take a dimming brush, and you're going to start from the bottom and work your way up. I didn't, for some reason, I don't know why I didn't show you guys, but I used that same olive oil mousse on the hair, and I sprayed it down with water again, and of course used the dimming brush to get the curls popping like you see. And here we have it. The hair is bomb. The mousse does really good with keeping it a nice size and not too big, because I know some people always want to see it dry. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys dry. But yeah, this hair is bomb, and I would like to thank Unice again for sending this over, and all the links will be in the description box down below. Talk to you guys later. Bye.